Welcome back to Learning While Listening Anytime. Today, I have an exciting story to share with you. It's my first day in America. After a long flight, I'm finally here. I'm feeling excited, a little nervous, and very curious about what will happen next. Will I find my hotel easily? Will I understand everyone? Join me on this adventure and learn English through real-life conversations. Let's begin. Wow, I'm finally in America. This airport is so big. There are people everywhere. I need to follow the signs. First, I have to go through immigration.
Good morning. May I see your passport, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for vacation.
How long will you stay?
I will stay for 2 weeks.
Where will you stay?
I have a reservation at the Grand City Hotel.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I do.
May I see it?
Certainly.
Everything looks good. Welcome to America.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Now I need to find my suitcase. I hope it arrived safely. There are so many bags here. Oh, there it is. That's my suitcase. I'm glad I found it quickly. Now I can leave the airport.
Hello. Do you need a taxi?
Yes, please. I'd like to go to the Grand City Hotel.
Sure. Please put your luggage in the trunk.
Thank you.
Is this your first time in America?
Yes, it is.
Welcome. Where are you from?
I'm from India.
That's wonderful. How was your flight?
It was long but comfortable.
You'll love this city.
I'm excited to explore it.
We'll arrive in about 20 minutes.
Great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Grand City Hotel.
Thank you. I have a reservation.
May I have your name, please?
My name is Sarah Johnson.
One moment, please. Yes, I found your reservation. You'll be staying for 2 nights.
That's correct.
May I see your passport?
Sure.
Thank you. Your room number is 507. Here is your key card.
Thank you very much.
The elevators are on your right.
Perfect. Have a nice day.
You too.
Wow. This room is beautiful. The bed looks very comfortable. And the view is amazing. I'm a little tired after my flight. I think I'll rest for a while. Then I'll go out for dinner.
Good evening. Welcome. Table for one.
Yes, please.
Right this way.
Thank you.
Here is the menu.
Everything looks delicious.
Are you ready to order?
Yes. I'd like a cheeseburger and a glass of orange juice.
Excellent choice. Would you like anything else?
No, thank you.
I'll bring your order shortly.
Thank you.
Here is your order.
Thank you very much. It smells wonderful. This looks delicious.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. This is really good.
Would you like dessert?
No, thank you. I'm full.
No problem.
Could I have the bill, please?
Certainly.
Thank you.
Hello, Sarah. How are you?
Hi, Mom. I'm doing great.
Did you arrive safely?
Yes, I did. Everything went smoothly.
That's wonderful. How do you like America so far?
I love it. The people are friendly. The city is beautiful.
We're very happy for you.
I miss everyone already.
We miss you too. Take lots of pictures.
I will. I'll send some tomorrow.
Have a great trip.
Thank you. I'll call again soon.
Take care.
Good night.
Good night.
What an amazing first day. Today, I arrived in America, passed through immigration, found my suitcase, took a taxi to my hotel, enjoyed a delicious dinner, and spoke with my family back home. It was a busy day, but I learned a lot and had a great experience. I hope you enjoyed learning English through my story. Keep practicing every day and you'll become more confident with English. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this lesson with your friends. See you in the next adventure. Goodbye.